They caught us on camera. Say cheese for the picture. She was from Alabama. Red lights. We tripped the alarm and now it's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We were breaking all kind of laws. We were bouncing off the walls. The times that we had were the best. We can do it one more time. Be my partner in crime. Don't tell me no. Oh, oh. Say yes. Are you ready, girl? Say yes. If you're ready, girl. Say yes. Polaroid 88, a supersonic laser ray, subatomic major bass. Man, those were the crazy days. Dancing to your favorite song, shaking like a polywall, freaking like a dirty dog. Nerdy girls, I love them all. Snapshots, we're going bananas. Say cheese for the picture. Girls are flashing the cameras. Red lights, we run them at random. Middle finger to the man because you know we can't stand them. We were breaking all kind of laws. We were bouncing off the walls. The times that we had were the best. We can do it one more time. Be my partner in crime. Don't tell me no. Oh, oh. Just say yes. Are you ready, girl? Say yes. So just say yes. If you're ready, girl.
Slow down. Look around. Breathe it in. You're not dreaming. In our own backyard, Southern Utah University has 20 national parks and monuments, all within a short drive from campus. Students go on once-in-a-lifetime adventures every day, thanks to an educational partnership with the parks and SUU Outdoors. Create lifelong friendships in a place where you can climb to new heights and soar to your fullest potential. College is more than confined spaces. At SUU, you get out of the classroom and explore places that transcend the imagination. It's our unique surroundings that inspire us. Find beauty. Find strength. Find yourself. This is the life of an SUU student.
Are you serious?
Yeah, just the forehead, because it makes it less shiny.
I do not approve of this.
I don't have my glasses.
Oh, do you need your glasses?
Yeah, it's big enough.
It's big enough. Go ahead.
Should I do that right now?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm
read it right
excited.
now.
Professor Grimes, even though you are new to SUU, you have magnified the idea of personal connection between faculty and students.
Kirby, you are an amazing role model. You see potential in so many students, and you push us all to grow and find success.
Eventually, we became good friends, like arroz en frijoles.
So you always encourage me to follow every dream and aspiration because everything is possible in your eyes.
I love that I can go to you with any question, knowing that you genuinely care and want to see me succeed.
And you have personally helped shape me into a better student, sister, daughter, and person.
My heart will always be grateful for you. You are now more than just my mentor, you have become my friend.
Because you are an outstanding professor, person, and friend.
When I got back to campus, you actually taught me the lessons I missed one-on-one. I can't believe you, a college professor, would do that.
No one has had a more influential impact on my academic and personal life than you, Dr. Price.
You're a huge inspiration to not only myself, but any student who interacts with you. Is that for real?
That's for real.
Is that from a real student?
Now I see why you didn't want me to read it before, because I'm a sensitive soul.
I'm getting a little weepy now.
I love it. I wish I knew who it was from.
Hi, Kirby.
Hey, Kels. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. He always found time, and he always encouraged me to just do better.
They maybe feel very vulnerable, right? They don't really have that safety net support structure that they'd have at home. I think that faculty can help to bridge that gap.
So it's a privilege, absolute privilege to work with people like Kelsey.
So I think building a relationship with them is key, and not just because it's part of my job, but because I genuinely want to advocate for them.
I just got so much confidence from Peter, and he just, from day one, just continued to root for me.
You sap!
Yeah, what?
I don't believe you're gonna cry.
So I guess I do it because I want them to be successful. And I want to follow them through their life. I want to see all the great things that she does.
This is her first year, so second semester at SUU, and she just hit the ground running, and she really embraced this kind of like personable feel that SUU has. Like I tell my students, I love you, like as a class, and I really mean. I mean, like I mean it. I care about them. I care about my students. I want them to be happy and successful.
People like Erin is so special. I mean, who would not want to have a personalized education with Erin? She's a hard worker. She's talented. She's positive. She's bright. She always is there to help.